Yeah, bro. So, today I want to show you this live. You start practicing. Okay, this is a very simple song. I believe, with this song, you start knowing how to improvise mainly on your playing. Okay, I just feel like we show you and how to play the song Sweet Mother. Okay, I think from this you will understand how most of the songs that have been played, secular songs have been played. Okay. Okay, I'm still on that key of F. Okay, so I was playing that double note I showed you. The one that's why I showed you that double note. It's just a do mi, re, fa, mi, fa, fa. Okay, it's just like playing do, re, mi, fa, mi, re, do, so, ti, so. Okay, then you play it, you pick the note one after the other, something like this. Look at my finger pick. I pick down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay, so you pick like that. Now, having shown you this, this is also La and T on the third and the second string. Okay, third and the second string, because this is your root. T, La. Okay, so if you play your La and Do, that is a La note. La, T. Now the T now goes to the Re. La, Ti, Re. La, Ti, Ti, Re. Okay, La, Ti, Ti, Re. Okay. Do. So when you play, Do, Mi, Fa, Mi, Fa, you start again from that La. Okay. Now you now come to the Mi. You now come to the Mi. Now climbing up to the third and the, okay. You just hold these two, La and Do. Slide to T. Okay. So this is it. From the Mi. Now you play your saw. This saw I showed you. Okay. You slide the note. Okay.